Welcome back to the latest episode of the Future of Automotive on CBT News, where we put recent automotive and mobility news into the context of the broader themes impacting the industry. I'm Steve Greenfield from Automotive Ventures, and I'm glad that you could join us. If you've been following the news cycle, many of the automakers, including Ford, GM, Volvo, and now Mercedes, are conforming to the Tesla-adopted North American Charging Standard, or NACS. But where does this leave auto dealers who have already committed to making significant facilities upgrades that include chargers with the old CCS-standard connectors? In many cases, the automakers have compelled dealers to install charging stations with the old CCS standard in order to sell their EVs. But these investments may prove to be costly as the industry quickly moves to adopt the Tesla NACS EV plug standard. Installing chargers is not inexpensive, especially the DC fast charging type. They can typically range from about $100,000 to $300,000 per charger, but costs can vary widely with labor, construction, and utility costs locally. What we don't know is if Tesla will ever approve of dealerships installing their Tesla branded chargers in the future. And would dealers really want to have chargers bearing the Tesla brand on their property? Only time will tell how this will play out. I do expect that many of the other automakers like Nissan and Hyundai will soon announce they'll develop future EV models with the Tesla charging port standard, all of which will put more pressure on dealers to build out Tesla compatible or even Tesla branded chargers on their properties. Next up this week, Automotive Ventures is excited to announce our latest investment out of our new dealer fund into electric vehicle charging startup GoEve, which has raised 3 million British pounds in its first ever funding round. GoEve has developed EV charging technology they call the dock chain to make high power DC charging cost competitive with lower power AC charging options by extending the reach of single rapid DC chargers to service multiple parking spaces simultaneously. Think about your power strip in your home. You can plug one end into the wall and plug 10 devices into the power strip. GoEve works the same, but for fast charging. Plug one end into a DC fast charger and plug up to 20 vehicles into one single charger simultaneously. The technology aims to improve on current EV charging technology, which only allows for one or two vehicles to use a fast charging station at a time. We hope that this company greatly alleviates the amount of EV charging infrastructure costs that auto dealers have to incur over the coming decade. You can find out more about this company we've just invested in at the URL www.goeve.com. So with that, let's transition to our companies to watch. Every week, we highlight interesting companies in the automotive technology space to keep an eye on. If you read my weekly industry intel report, I showcase a few companies each week, and we take the opportunity here on this segment to share those companies with you. Today, we have two new companies to watch: Sakona Battery Technologies and About Energy. Our first company to watch this week is Sakona Battery Technologies, creating a low-cost, scalable, next-generation batteries material technology using lithium-ion batteries that enables electric mobility and storage of renewable energy. Sakona's current generation silicon composite anode technology delivers a remarkable 50 to 100% higher capacity than conventional graphite anodes, and its anode materials can deliver more than 50% higher cell energy density than current lithium-ion batteries. This is tremendous news and has big implications on the EV battery world. You can check out Sakona Battery Technologies at www.sakonabattery.com. Our second company to watch this week is About Energy. About Energy is a London, UK-based battery technology company that focuses on building a portfolio of battery measurement and modeling capabilities to deliver a comprehensive software solution for battery design. The reason that I love About Energy is that the company's predictive models reduce the reliance on physical research, enhancing design, management, and prediction for battery development. About Energy eliminates the barriers that prevent companies digitizing R&D for batteries by creating a seamless modeling experience from battery system all the way to simulation. You can check out About Energy at www.aboutenergy.io. So that's it for this week's Future of Automotive segment. If you're an auto tech entrepreneur working on a solution that helps car dealerships, we want to hear from you. We're actively investing out of our new dealer fund. If you're interested in joining our investment club to make direct investments into auto tech and mobility startups, please join. There's no obligation to start seeing our deal flow, and we continue to have attractive investment deals available to our members. And don't forget to check out my new book, The Future of Automotive Retail, which is available on Amazon.com. Thank you for tuning into CBT News for this week's Future of Automotive segment, and we'll see you next week.